Canary Wharf is an area of London, England, located on the Isle of Dogs in the London Borough of Tower Hamlets. Canary Wharf is defined by the Greater London Authority as being part of London Central Business District, alongside Central London.
Crossrail Place Roof Garden. Free to visit and open daily to the public until 9 p.m. or sunset in summer, Crossrail Place Roof Garden is one of London's largest. Wander through and admire the exotic plants, relax on one of the many benches nestled in hidden pathways, or enjoy a show in the amphitheatre. Crossrail Place sits almost exactly on the meridian line, and the planting is arranged according to which hemisphere they are from, with Asian plants such as bamboos to the east, and plants such as ferns from the Americas to the west.